you got a hole in your tire. See that hole right there? All you need is this little tire kit to do it yourself. So you're gonna use this right here to poke a hole in your tire. Like this. See, put that thing in there. Like that. And then you grab one of them. Then you just shove this thing down in the middle. Pull that out and push this in and pull it back out. Push that in and then you pull it back out. When you're done, it's gonna look like this. What you wanna do, you wanna get some snips. Snip it. First pour some water on to see if it stopped leaking. See, there ain't no bubbles. There ain't no bubbles. So it's good to go. That's how you fix your own flat. Peace. You get you some snips and cut that off. Thanks for tuning in.